Alright, this is KD2GIY with another radio/battery video. So today we're dealing with a rt-320. It's a British radio, but we need to rebuild the battery box, which is not a big deal. I got it from my good buddy Walter in the club there, and he originally had some lead acid batteries in there, but I don't want to do lead acid, plus I want the capacity. So you can see here, he had two 12-volt batteries at 2.9, and that's what he had in there, but he didn't have a way to monitor it. So I guess he did some short transmission. So we got a 24-volt battery. We got to put power poles on everything, and we got a monitor. A battery, it'll just tell me the voltage, basically. So if I see it going towards 20 volts, then I know that I'm going to be done. Yeah, these battery boxes are funky. They originally had, I believe, NiCads in there, and then they spray foam the whole inside. So this got to be taken off. This got to be scraped out, and we're going to put fuses in line. It's very simple, very easy, but that's how we roll. We'll get back to you in a minute. All right, here's the next step. So you want to clean this. I mean, it doesn't look clean, but you want to clean all the crap out of here. You want to clean out the connector that's in here because you're not going to use that anymore. You want to take this off. It's you take it off by these screws right here, and this is what was on it after I chopped everything up. So positive, negative, or negative, positive. I can't remember the orientation. So take this out, take everything out, and just put a two lines, positive and negative, going to a Anderson power pole, because you got to put Anderson power poles on your battery so everything works. Everything is nice and safe. And then once you do that, then you can reinstall this bad boy, and it'll forever have the power pole, so you can take your battery in and out of the box if you need to. All right, so this is the connector that connects up to the radio, for the battery. I cleaned it up a little bit, put some connectors on here, some heat shrink, made sure I put a fuse. I got these three-way connectors from Harbor Freight. We're not doing a lot of current, so it shouldn't be a problem. Plus, they're rated for a lot more than what I'm doing. And so one is going to be the connector for the battery that goes to the radio. One is going to be to the power source going to the battery. And this is going to be wired on the third lead here for, what's it called? The monitor. And we massacred the box so we could put the monitor in here, which will be cool. Okay, so this is what it looks like all done. You can see how I massacred it with the glue, but the thing is in there. The meter's in there. This doesn't serve a purpose for anything at the moment. We also took these off. Made sure you file them down, get the corrosion off, or the dirt. But this is what it looks like now. All I got to do is drop in the battery, which the battery fits snug as a rug. And then we go from there. All right, so here's the battery in. Put a little padding over here. There's some padding underneath. A little padding in the front there for wobble. I put a 5-amp fuse in there. I think it probably would be fine with a 2-amp, but you want to make sure you fuse it. Anderson power poles are connected nicey. And all I have to do is put on... yeah, that's the right orientation. Put it on the plate. I'm not going to seal it. I might just tape it on there just to have, so I can take the battery in and out if I need to. But you could do this with the little batteries as well. So whenever you're running the rt-351, 352 with the generator, and you don't have enough room on the backpack, that's why you would run these little batteries. But did the same thing here. Looks a little bit different because this top comes off. This top is, one solid piece compared to this. So, hey, looks good. I like it. Okay, this is the end of the video. You can see here, it's putting out 28.4. Battery's 100%. It's not a lead acid, it's a lipo. I just taped up the boxes. I'm not sure how I want to do it, but it works well. Now let me show you the radio. This is cool. It's a rt-320. Does HF. It's got the lowest sideband mod, all that stuff. I'm listening to some Parks on the air. Got the battle whip, not the battle whip, but the whip that comes with it, and also got the counterpoise kit. So it's got radios going all over the place, and it goes up to the ground lug. It's by the way, that's the chart on how to tune it. Okay, this is Kilo Delta 2 Golf India Yankee Manpack Portable KD2 GIY. Roger?
I got it, David. Very good. You're about a 5 and 4, 5 and 5 maybe, and copy your portable. Not a problem though. Good signal, very readable, and good to have you in the logbook. Looks like the first time. The name here is Mike, and I'm about 45 minutes south of Fort Bragg, if you know where that's at. Over.
Yeah, Roger, Mike. Yeah, you got Dave here, and we're using a military radio, about 35 watts from a military radio backpack. I just did the LiPo battery for the upgrade there, and we're testing out. We got the whip coming off of the Manpack, and we got the counterpoise kit going, and we figured we'd make a contact with you, Roger.
It's working. The military Manpack with the whip coming off the bag there is working great with just 35 watts, David. That's pretty cool to be able to work your HF out of the backpack. So no problem at all. Nice signal for me. Are you just out in the back garden, or are you taking a hike, or how are you working it? Over.
Well, I'm in the backyard right now. This is the first time I'm testing it because I had to get the battery going, and everything seems to be working well. So there's got a tuner in it. It's got everything. If you like, I'll send you the video of it because I'm making a video right now of how you sound coming through it, Roger.
Very good. Well, you know, the next thing to do is to load it up and climb up on a hill somewhere, and or maybe go out to the coast and get over near some water and work you some DX. You're sounding great. No problem at all. Good copy, and good to have you in the logbook for the first time. Kilo Delta 2 Golf India Yankee from Kilo Tango 4 Romeo. Pleasure to work you, and thanks for letting me work you on that military Manpack. Sounded great, and we'll catch you further down the log. Have a great week and enjoy playing radio. All the best from North Carolina.
You got it, bud. 7-3 from New Jersey. This is KD2 GIY. I'm going dark. Unbelievable. 7-3. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.